Hello, my name is Dominic Glennon. I graduated with an associate's degree in Opticianry at Franklin Cummings Tech. The reason why I came to this school is I had a coworker at LensCrafters who highly recommended doing the Opticianry program, and I never regretted taking her advice and making that decision. It's definitely a game changer. So currently I work at LensCrafters. I've been there for almost 7 years. I am one of the licensed opticians in the Medford location and also the assistant manager, um, building my own career path to eventually be a store manager of a location. So I did have to take out loans. The FAFSA applied for that and did get grants as well. And I did have a little bit of money saved that would help pay towards the tuition. After completing the program, it has drastically changed like my outcome for income and being able to afford to pay for my own apartment, have my own car, even instilling like a culture in my particular family. I do have a nephew now who comes to the school, so kind of starting like optician family within our family tree. I feel like what I really learned coming to this school is like this definitely has the best professors that you can learn the proper ways of doing opticianry. It definitely gets you really prepared for whatever job that you decide to go for in career. And overall, it's just a really great experience to, work with individual people and to help them see. And it's just a really cool job field and get to learn a lot of things.